right. Hey, everybody. My name is Jace Henry. I'm with ADT Commercial. We're here at ISC West. One of the amazing innovative technologies that we have here is this Haloti Robotics has built this Gemini version of this robot. One of the things that we're trying to do is actually introduce this robot into the security space and actually have it augment and supplement security guards in the security guarding force. So the biggest benefactor behind this security guardian robot that we have here is the hand motion. As you can see, it's actually got fingers, being able to open doors, push buttons, and the robot itself is actually being able to be fully autonomous as well. So as you can see right here, Christopher is one of the Haloti engineers. As we walk around the backside over here, you'll see he's in the VR mode and actually doing all of the motions on the robot right now. But the actual end result and end game of this is to actually have this robot be a fully autonomous patrolling robot in any facility that this robot's going to be in. So once it becomes fully autonomous and it's able to patrol completely by itself, it can come across a bag, package, anything that's going on within the facility that might be a little bit wonky, and it can actually send an alert back to him in a security operations center, anywhere in the world, anywhere in the country, state, doesn't matter where you are, and he'll be able to log in and actually go in and put the VR headset on, get it going on a patrol. So I'll take you around. We have one more technology that I'll actually have you check out as well. So on the other side here, we have our autonomous indoor drones. Now these drones here, same kind of technology that we use for the robots, and these drones here, they use LiDAR to actually go and scan indoor and their indoor facility, and all right. Yep. And these drones here are actually autonomous as well. And they can actually get they can fly these manually if you need to. As you can see right here, this is a demo that they did not too long ago that actually picks up all of the activity that goes on inside the facility. It attaches up here. The drone actually is right up here. As you can see, it's a magnet that attaches to ceiling tiles. And as soon as it gets an alarm point or anything that happens within the integration that for the alarm points, it will detach, respond to that alarm point. And actually, the other part that we're actually trying to work with is the integration with the robot. So this is the gentleman that was in the VR headset controlling the robot on the other side of the wall. And so the idea is to actually have both of these technologies integrate with each other, to have both at the same time in the same facility, and being able to respond to any of the alarm points, access control, visitor management systems, and have pretty much a full swarm technology within the company or within the facility that you're guarding. So. All right, everybody, and that's a couple of the technologies that we have here at the ADT Commercial booth. Thank you, everybody, for viewing, and looking forward to hearing everybody that wants to contact us. Thanks.
Subscribe to Pipl Systems YouTube channel and get your special offer on every deal.